It's one thing to have great products. That is a big bonus, is choosing quality products, but you also have to back it up by the person installing it. You need to choose an installer who knows how to install these products properly and not just using the big brands for the main products. So not just the big brands for your inverter and not just the big brands for your panels, but also the quality other components, your consumables within the system. They also need to ensure that they are installing them to not just Australian standards, but to the best practice within the industry as well, because then you'll get the longevity out of it. Because if you're choosing cheaper versions in the consumables, there's just too much room for error. We do see horror stories out there and people are aware of the horror stories. So if you're installing products but it's being installed by somebody who's just entered, or somebody who's not working in the industry full time and that's not their primary business is installing solar, they can lead to systems failing and not producing. Choosing a quality installer who does have their continuous training and continuous improvement plans in place is vital, because then you know you're going to get the best quality system overall and not just the technology. So it still has to be installed correctly regardless of what the brands are that you use.